So what's up subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. This is Paul Bon and Vargas of ZEBIANMNL. So if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to click the like button. Syempre, don't forget to click the subscribe button and click the bell icon para kapag may bagong videos tayo, ma-notify kayo agad. So our video for today is one of the easiest to do pero hindi naman pinakamatagal pero medyo matagal gawin since yung gagawin natin today is a leather desktop pad or desk mat. This one. So this one is 15 inches by 30 inches kasi yun yung specification ng customer natin. So actually yung ganito pwede na siyang gawing desk mat. Pero syempre dahil gusto natin lagyan ng ZEBIANMNL touch, tatahiin natin yung sides. So first thing first, ginawa ko last night while preparing this is nilagyan ko ng rounded corners and nilagyan ko na rin ng stitching guide using our wing divider. So yung stitching guide is depende na sa preference mo kung gaano ka layo from the sides or pwede na rin depende dun sa customer na nagpagawa sa'yo ng desk mat. For me, ginawa ko is 0.5 centimeters para medyo may distinction. Pero yung distinction is hindi masyadong malayo dun sa sides natin na mawawala na yung parang rounded corner nung desk mat natin. So, gawin na natin to. Alright, so just in case you're wondering, yung desk mat or desk pad is usually used dun sa tables natin kung saan nakaset up yung computers or PC or laptops natin. And you can actually also use it as a mouse pad para hindi ka na bibili ng separate mouse pad mo. So again, let's do our desk mat. But first of all, shout out nga pala kay Omar Manzano ng High Minds Clothing. So this one. Kaya ako napabili nito kasi ang ganda ng message niya sakto para sa mga kagaya natin na small YouTubers and sakto para sa mga kagaya natin na kumakain para sa pamilya. So, ayun, again, grind now, chill later. Alright, so proceed na tayo sa gagawin natin. Bale, ito na yung medyo mahabang part. Actually, ito yung pagbubutas nung stitch guides natin and syempre yung pagtatahi natin later ng desk mat natin. So, bale gawin natin, I'll be fast forwarding this one habang nagbubutas ako, and while we're at it, check out our ZEBIANMNL shoutouts on the side. Alright? So, gawin ko na to. Alright, so we're finally done punching our holes around our desk pad or desk mat. So, yung next na gagawin natin is yung medyo matagal kasi yun yung gagawin na natin yung tahi niya, yung stitch. So, start na tayo. Alright, again, so we're finally done punching our holes dito sa desk mat natin. So this time, syempre, tatahiin na natin siya. I'm using a red thread kasi yun yung request ng customer natin. So, ito yung medyo tedious. Tama ba yung word na tedious? Kasi tatahiin natin siya paikot and medyo matagal yon. Again, for your thread, i-measure mo lang yung buong circumference ba yung tamang term? Yung paikot nung item mo and then multiply it by 4. So, again, fast forward ko lang to and just enjoy. Okay? Alright, so we're finally done with our desktop mat or desk pad. And here it is. Bali, yun yung ginawa na lang natin is yung stitch, which is the red stitching nitong mat natin. So, for finishing touches, pwede kang maglagay ng logo mo or let's say yung customer mo, they will be giving it away. Pwedeng tayo maglagay ng logo ng customers. So again, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel and click that notification button para kapag may bagong videos tayo, lagi kayong makakapanood agad. And if you have suggestions and questions or maybe tutorials na gusto nyo mapanood sa next videos natin, don't forget to put it on the comments, alright? So, thank you for watching and Diyos mabalos!